So now I took a class setting gender implements pipe transfer. So here transform value colon any. So I'm not sure what sort of data type. So I just gave it as any. The return type is also any. So here if value is equal to 1. So if I'm getting the value is equal to 1, I am telling return male, else return female. So whatever the value, so here what is that particular value that I am just getting? It is nothing but it is the pipe. So now I'll just show this. So here x dot gender is the value. Okay, x dot gender is the value. So if this particular value what I am getting here, if it is equal to 1, it should be transformed to male. If it is equal to 0, then it should be transformed to female. So this value, whatever this value I am having here, so this particular value is passed to this particular setting, that is a pipe which is called as gender setter. So this pipe is having this transform method. So now what I did is here, you are getting this particular result here like this. Now what I'll do is, now I have written this particular pipe here where if the value is equal to 1, return male, else you return the female. This is what is being written here. So now what I'll do is, this is my pipe name. So I'll just copy this and give the name of this pipe here. So I'll just press enter. So the name of the pipe here I have just given here. So now you just see what has happened. You can see that wherever 1 is there, it has become male. Wherever 0 is there, it has become female. So this is how I can create my own custom pipes. So should I repeat once again?
Yes, the part where we create the file, file.
Okay, so now I'll just repeat once again. So you can use even app component also, but I have created one component. So I just created one component called as custom pipe. And in this, I have right clicked and went to the new file and just created one file name here. Okay, so that particular file name, I have given it as set custom pipe.ts. So this is a TS file, TypeScript file, which class file I have created. And in this part of it, I am just using at pipe decorator and I'm giving a name to that. So this will be my pipe name. So for pipe custom pipe name is this. Then I created a class and I using export because I need to import it in the module. So then class setting gender implements the pipe transfer. So here I'm implementing the method which is called as transform method. So here, what is this value? I have just given any. If you are passing a string, you can just tell it a string or a numeric value, whatever is you are going to pass, you can just tell that. So what is this value I am passing here? This value is nothing but it is in the HTML component. What I'm passing is x.gender here. So this is the value what it is taking. So this is the value what it is taking and what is the data type that I'm returning. So what is the value that I am taking from here? From the gender, I am taking 1. So I'm just telling if the value is equal to 1, return male, else return female. I just wrote this part of it. So now what exactly is happening in the previously, this was 1. Okay, let me just remove this and show it to you. I'll just remove this. So now you can just see here, it is 1. So this is x dot gender. So when this particular, this is the value what is coming to here. So when it comes here, what is that I have written? When the value is equal to, it is coming here. When the value is equal to 1, return, transform it into male. If the value is not equal to 1, transform it into the form of a female. So I have written this, imported the pipe and the pipe transform class. So now you need to register this setting gender class. So where do you register? Just go to app.module part of it. Here you give import setting gender from where exactly it is. This is there in src app custom pip. Okay, so what is the name of the pipe class? I have given set custom pipe dot pipe. That is what I have written. SRC app custom pipe set custom pipe dot pipe. So now this has been registered in the app module. So now the same thing I need to tell that it has been registered. I need to give it as ng module. That is will be declaration. I am just giving it as setting gender. So the same name of the class, I'm just giving this. Then you can just save this particular one. Once you save this, and then what you do is you add the name of the name of this particular one. So what is the name of this? Gender setter. So that you can just specify here. So this will become your. Now you can see that it has been changed. So when you get such sort of data, you can just implement the custom pipe.